Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are working on the countertop. I'm finally putting in the kitchen and getting the stuff put in. This here is my stove. It's a Dometic glass top, flips open. You'll see that in a little bit. And I bought a sink. That's just a fancy 15-inch deep sink. It just looks cool, right? And I got the little faucet that I might change. I spent $112 on the wrong one. Watch when you're buying those. Let me show you what I'm doing on the inside. All right. I threw this down just to test fit it. I got to take it in, take it out. What we're going to do is cut this back 2 inches right here and then bell it out right there. This way, when I'm sitting at it, because there's going to be a lounge right here, and I'm going to be sitting right here eating. So this is going to be sink, countertop, table, sink, stove, countertop, table. There we go. By the way, I have my other fingers. I'm just holding it like that because I have a cut right about under my pinky from surgery. So anyway, yeah, they're still there. I'm not Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle style. Cowabunga. This piece of pine is going to become my new countertop. Come join me on this simple adventure of trying to make the countertop. Wow! I bought me a brand new freaking Milwaukee battery saw. And I love it! I save all these pieces of wood just to have like a stack of useless wood. All right. So I want to router the edge. Yeah, just a little bit though. So I went with a 15-inch deep stainless steel sink that has the grid in the bottom and the little cutting board on the top. And then I went with the Dometic glass top gas stove. Oh, I couldn't spit that out. And it opens and you have your stove. The reason I went with this style was because I like that it was flat when it's closed. It gives you extra prep area because it's glass. And I like that it was flat. I like that it like fit into it. It just looked clean. All the controls right here, the little igniter button, the adjustment knobs, and the burner style is nice that it's not all around the flames, because these things will get cooked and they stay hot forever. And then while it's still hot, you can shut the top,
keeping it from, you know, burning anything or whatnot. And when it's open, it makes a nice splatter shield so it doesn't get all over my backsplash, which is just glass, so I guess it'd be easy to clean. But that's why I went with the Dometic. It was a little pricey compared to like some stoves you could buy, but it's Dometic. I mean, it's just a really nice, you know, piece of equipment. The sink, cheapy, stainless steel. Really not much to talk about there. I'm gonna put that long neck one that like's got the little puller, so I could like pull it out and fill pots and pans and crap instead of, you know, bringing the pan right next to it. And I have plenty of room underneath it for storage. So here's what we got done today. We have the countertop, which is already holding all my tools. And we have the majority of the framing in, and those are test fitted. Oh, I did do this too. Magnetic hold, lock. This way I have way more countertop. You can never have enough countertop. I mean, you may think you have enough and you probably don't. Obviously it does block the door, but not in a way that you couldn't squeeze past it if you had to. If something caught on fire and you had to jump for it, you could make it out. And it's just a simple 2-lever. You pinch these little guys and it shuts. Like I said, it magnet mounts here so it doesn't rattle. All right, boys, that's it for this one. And now I will be finishing this, I guess. And when it comes to staying it, I'll pick back up in a video because that's when I'm gonna start putting some of the final stuff on the inside. Oh my gosh, I said the word final things. Oh, that'd be so good. I have 1 month and like 15 days to get this thing completely ready for a 10,000 mile trip. I never even drove it. So I don't even know if the truck's any good, but I'm gonna find out. All right, we'll see you then.